All right, let's get this updated. Let's see there, got that. We'll update all those. Great. Save that. And we'll do a Nix, or we'll do, what are we gonna do here? Nix Flake update. One thing I want to do this morning before I really jump into things is we're gonna update some NeoVim config that I've been putting off for a while that I just need to get done. So let's come over here and we're gonna update our title for a second. And go drop that. We can put that in a new note. Paste that. And then, yeah, fuck it, we'll just keep the same. What up, Dak? Alright, well that's going. Let's get this open. We got Blink. And I want to figure out how to style Blink a little bit nicer. Gotta get that new album in. Who would you request? Oh, Architects. All right, we gotta figure out how to how to style this thing. Menu draw configuration. Trigger list. This is what we want to update. Yeah, here we go, this thing. Do you work for Nginx? No, I work for Vercel. Oh shit. Just bumped my headphones. Stretching. My tattoo's healing up nice. I didn't scab up at all really this time. I have a light scab right here. Redness is all gone. One more session, chat. All right, I'm gonna start queuing up the other NeoVim things I want to add this morning. I want to add mini AI, which is not actual artificial intelligence, but new text objects. And we want to go to this guy. After 15 years, I've actually abandoned NeoVim pretty much entirely, other than for commit messages. What are you rocking on today? The other stuff I want is Copilot. We're gonna try adding Copilot back. That one, this one. I just used VS Code. Boo. Oh, speaking of JetBrains. Chat, I'm getting you all 25% discounts on JetBrains products. I got partnered with JetBrains for my stream. So keep your eyes out this week. Or it might not be this week. Well, actually, I probably won't be streaming for the rest of the month after Thursday, because I will be going to Italy to speak at EffectTS, and then I have a Vercel company all hands trip in California, basically until the end of the month. I think I'll be back on the 28th from all that travel. What kind of browser do you use? I use Arc right now, but I'm starting to have more and more issues with Arc, which, like, I'm not like a huge anti-Arc, or like bought into all the hype of Arc dying, but like I actually kind of am starting to feel it now. I'm starting to see Arc drain my battery, which I was skeptical of everyone saying that online for a while, but then it actually started happening. And then the other thing that I've been noticing recently is my copying and pasting from Arc is sometimes not working, and also Command F is sometimes not working, and it drives me crazy. Oh, I got you a wedding gift, but oh, thanks, pal. I only use Writer because we now use F# at work. What? Did you? I thought you didn't. How did you work into using F#? Dude, come on, Nix. Such a huge, chunky download. All right. So we've got our, if I recall, one of these is written in Lua. Right. This is not the one. How did that get higher SEO? That's the one we want. Last month. That's the chat. 4 days ago. We needed an integration with the UK's company house API. We needed immutable message passing. Asked if I could use F#. Hell yeah, dude. That's awesome. What up, Kraut? Does anyone know? Oh, issues aren't even open on this one. What up, Akoya? All right, we're... Oh, sweet. Yeah, dude, I love Effect. All right, the first thing, I need to figure out which one of these I want to use here. I'm kind of inclined to go with this one. All right, first things first is I want to get Blink restyled. I added Blink last night. I started adding this. I've been having some just like random spurts of lag with my endbim complete, and I've been wanting to switch to Blink for a while, so that's what we're going to do first. Let's go here, and we're going to go to Blink, and in here we want to update this. Let's open up, I think I have the settings I want over here because this clearly isn't working anymore. I think I just want to really do that. All right, let's go back to the docs for Blink. So we're going to go to menu, and we're going to add border is going to equal rounded. I wonder if I we're doing some. I kind of love and hate EffectTS, but there's not much else that offers the same thing. What do you hate about Effect? And yeah, I'm doing some updates so far. Damn, dude, you have been busy. Did I have styling in here? It's crazy how much simpler. All right, but I can at least set the background if I want to. I'll join Vercel if everything is F#. I don't think you're gonna win that battle, buddy. All right, we might actually be good. Let's in fact, I wonder if we do. Nice. That just worked. That's amazing. I think. Actually, no, that's my old. Actually, that is my old menu. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. So this is nbim CMP. We're gonna keep that because that's close. I like my menu. And we're going to come over here and we're going to right quit out and we're going to vim in. And we're going to go back to the file we were just in. And it's going to look a little bit different now. Yeah, there we go. So let's bring this over. And I'm curious what happens if there's a setting here that is like, what is it? It's blink. Appearance, oops, blink, appearance, and the setting is where is it? We at least have highlight groups we can get at. Where's this stupid setting? Here we go. There is this setting here that might just work. Maybe the other search help we can look at is possibly Capuchin integrations. And then look at CMP. Okay. And maybe this will just work. Maybe. No, it didn't work. All right, we're just gonna go and then, so that didn't do that. Let's see if we turn that off, if that helps at all. And not let Capuchin take over. Okay, it doesn't even look like Capuchin is doing anything with Blink CMP. With effect for me, it's verbose code lacking docs with anything that's not the core effect stuff. When there's type errors, it can be more of a nightmare than usual. Got nipped our head. What up, Mr. Dave? Congrats on the Launch 5, buddy. It's an amazing release. I read through the release notes this morning. All right, we're gonna have to update some highlight groups here. So let's just go to Blink and let's get open this help docs for Blink, highlight, and then highlight colors. Wait, that's not the, that's not what I want. Let's jump down to appearance. Here we go. And we'll bump this, something like that up here. And how do I set highlight groups? I always forget this syntax. And then set highlight group, there we go. So we'll go back. In fact, I wonder if I should do this in here. Yeah, let's actually do that. So we'll come in here and we'll sets the highlight group globally. All right, so we're gonna come in here and we're going to say blink CMP menu I think I need to update my ghost text settings. Something about that's throwing me off. Blink CMP menu border. We want that, and then what's the API for this again? Foreground and background. Foreground and background. So we'll come in here and we'll say foreground is going to equal, what color is that? That's sapphire. Where else do we do this? Is it in Fidget? I think I probably changed this in my PR last night. I think I might have deleted a highlight group. I did not. It's probably going to be, I don't know when I'm going to end up doing that. Here we go. This is the thing we wanted. I am way too busy until after React Miami. Like I'm stretched thin right now, and I'm quite honestly burning out a little bit. But it's okay because I get done 2 conferences this week. Well, I get done a conference talk this week. I give it at a conference on Friday, and then I fly to Italy to give it at EffectTS next week. That's 1 conference talk done. And then I have React Miami, which is next month. And once React Miami is done, I'm going to feel a lot better. Nah, dude, that's all good. You're becoming the goat at doing talks. I love giving talks. It's just like I need to figure out how to be more effective at making my slides, because I always I think I do really good at giving talks, and I think the quality of my talks is generally pretty high. It's just I spend so much time just tweaking little nuances of my slides, and because like using like Google Slides and or Google Sheets or Keynote is like it's so hard to do things that like it's slow. Like I'm very slow at it, so it takes me like I don't know 40 to 60 hours to put together a slide deck well. I think for React Miami, I'm going to experiment with something new and try SlideEv, which is a markdown and web-based presentation. And then basically use this in V0 when I want animations. So I think hopefully my talk right now for EffectTS is the last one that I'm doing that takes me just hours and hours and hours in fucking Keynote or Google Sheets. I saw your effect talk where you had no slides. I enjoyed it. Yeah, see, the thing is, actually, Guillermo has this quote, and maybe it wasn't Guillermo. Who was it? No, it was TJ DeVries, and I don't know where TJ heard it from, or maybe it was G. I don't know where I heard it. It doesn't matter. But basically, it was like, if you ask me to talk for an hour, I can talk today. If you need me to talk for 30 minutes, I'm gonna need a month. If you need me to talk for 10 minutes, I need even longer. I come on stream every morning and I talk about effect and all these things I care about, and I can go and I can yap. But to condense the message into a time frame and deliver it with the impact that I want, and also I love tying humor in. I love making it real. It's just a lot of work. So yeah, I'm gonna use SlideEv for React Miami and see how it goes. And then I probably will not do another conference for the rest of the year unless I re-give one of the 2 talks from React Miami or my Effect talk, or like my Gleam talk or something. Yeah, the no slides one I just completely winged. Macchiato. So let's see here. We have, why is this set? Right. We're going to come over here. Do that. And actually we want that to be, just rename this palette. And we want that to be Sapphire. Oh, wait. Yeah. Let's see if that even worked. I'll probably have to restart to get that even. All right, so let's just go ahead, break it out, vim in. Hopefully that just works. Yeah, okay, so there's the border. That's actually not the color I thought it was gonna be. Oh, actually, is it? I can't tell. Is that the same color? I don't think it is. What is the... Macchiato. Blue is what we want. I love Capuchin's color theme. Oh my god, tell me that doesn't look so good. Oh! It's so good, chat. I'll hopefully be there at React Miami. Let's go, Nil. What are you doing, DM Allright? What do you mean, Kraut? Let's do that, and then we want the menu background to be, what was it? Blink, highlights, appearance. I really want base as the background. Blink, CMP menu. And we'll make that, it should be base. I replaced NVim CMP with Blink. I've been having some like random. Really, I'm trying to see if it helps my Svelte LSP at all. And the configuration for Blink is a little bit easier than the configuration for Auto CMP. And I was able to replace like, I don't know, I replaced like 4 or 5 plugins with one by switching from Auto CMP and a bunch of snippet stuff to just using Blink.
Functions describe the world.
Yeah, this is my, autocomplete menu. And we're working on, this is how my old one looked like, and we're working on getting the new one to match this style. So you can see this is where we're at right now. We're gonna do, let's close this for now. Actually, I'm just gonna grab this object. We're gonna do this. We're gonna come in here and we're gonna say, just paste this here, I guess. Local foo equals that, drop that in. And fine, do that. I guess that works pretty well, actually. And then we can close this one, and we'll move this back over here. Make that take up less. Okay. So I think I want foreground to actually be, what do we think this color is right here? Because I think this is going to be background, and then foreground is going to be, well, let's actually just do something bold, right? And we'll see how it looks. We'll do like a palette.mauve. So this is annoying that I have to write it out every single time. All right, that's getting closer. I think we actually might have nailed that first try. So foreground doesn't do anything in this instance. All right, that looks pretty good. And now we're gonna go back and go to Blink. Actually, let's just make sure we don't need to. Okay, so we need to add to the docs Blink documentation appearance Blink CMP docs border. Yeah, that's one we want right there. So let's grab these two, yoink, and we'll come over here, set those. Basically, you can use the same thing, right? This will be you. Where's the default config? I just want a default. I want, is there a documentation window? Oh, there is. Let's go, chat. All right, we're gonna, so that goes under window completion.documentation. So we're gonna go here and we wanna go to Blink, and then under documentation, this has a menu setting, and we'll drop that in there, give that the old comment action. We don't need that. We're gonna need to go in there later, but get that. And we're gonna come down here. I don't know why that was turned off. Did I not add border rounded? There we go. All right, so the thing that should change here when we reload is, if you look at this documentation thing, it is, in fact, I want to keep that background color. I kind of like that. I like that contrast to it. I basically just want to get a nice border rounded around it. So if we go back to color, I actually don't think I want to set this one, because that should give me the, I'll leave that there just in case. Put out and in. Ooh, we didn't like something. I bet we have an issue. Where is our bug? That's coming from our config. So that means that we got the config wrong in Blink, not the color scheme. I bet it's a signature piece. Nope, not the signature piece. So the other thing I added was this right here. So if we comment that out, I'm guessing, I'm hoping, yeah, that was it. So we didn't get the setting right for Blink. Appearance, key map. I'm hoping, so the fuzzy finder in Blink is written using Rust and uses SIMD instructions, so it should be faster. But I actually don't think it's easier to configure, so it's going to be easier. So I can like set in Blink very easily the preference of like LSP suggestions. So because my working theory is that the Svelte kit LSP is much slower than the other ones, that's what's like really fucking with my old menu. And here I can at least like force like the Svelte LSP lower in the list, so there's not like pop in, and like I can keep the order better. If that makes sense. Dang, your vibe coding config is really working well. Dude, I'll tell you what, it is the vibiest. Let's see in here. We want to look for menu. One of my favorite things about NeoVim is you can just read the docs and it will tell you what to do. Menu draw. Ah, I bet that's... Is that nested under there? I'm going to move this for a second, chat. Menu draw. Menu equals border. Completion dot... It seemed like we saw completion dot menu dot border dot documentation, or is it completion dot documentation? Yeah. Completion documentation. Oh, it's under window. Window equals that. Drop that in. That goes there. Now that should work. Still wrong? Oh my lord. How did we get to what we were at before? Completion documentation. Completion documentation window. It's not under border. Or it's not under menu. It's just there. There we go, that feels like it worked. Now we should see it rounded. None of these. Oh, I just saw it. Yeah, there we go. So we're almost there. We want to set the background. Go back over to color scheme. And here, I do think I want this, but I want it to be mantle, probably. Let's just see if we can get this to be something ridiculous real quick. All right. It's not quite right. Still not quite right. I want to get this to be the same color. I don't want like that border. What up, Ryan Winchester? Long time no talk, buddy. Did you see that Spotify removed a bunch of APIs for security, but it's all good APIs, which allows things such as auto-saving No, but that doesn't surprise me at all. This is a anti-Spotify API stream. I am the biggest Spotify API hater. And I will maintain that position. You know, I sing this damn song all the time. Or that was Kraut that said that. Redeemed, reread last message 100. Okay, I'm scrolling. When will this happen, you and J. Cole? Split Fiction? What is this game? Oh, that could be fun. I will share that with Justine. I'm going to send this to her text so I don't forget.
Send what to me?
There's a game. It looks like it'd be fun to play together.
Will you actually play it with me, or will you download it, play it with me one time, and then
I'll have to
never
build
again?
another PC. It won't be until I build a PC, so like at least.
But we could each get it on, is it Steam?
Yeah.
I mean, we could play it on our laptops.
No, it's going to require a gaming PC.
Oh.
I just sent you it. You'll have to look.
Oh, okay. Did you notice that Murphy has a shaved spot on his leg?
No.
It's because he ate an oatmeal raisin cookie and had to do a hospital stay.
Oh, Murphy.
Bodie, come say good morning.
I had to grab him earlier. He was not coming down. Him and Winnie
Not coming down.
got grabbed by collars.
Oh, because they were...
Freaking out when Murph got here.
They were just... Oh, okay. Thank you, Bodie.
Alright, I need to figure this out here.
Here, he says, would you like the hair wrap, Dylan? Bodie, give.
Highlights. Good morning, Bodie. Good morning. Alright, down, bud.
Did you see her?
Alright, so this has got to be... I know, I see. You can put it in the middle of the room so Jack can see.
Hold on, Ren. Here.
Winnie's trying to open a package that I got.
Bodie, come here. Can they see?
Oatmeal raisin cookies are disgusting. I'm going to be honest, chat. I don't know if they can see Winnie or not. Move it like back where you feed Baxter.
Oh, hold it. She's gonna be so disappointed when
Doc
she realizes
border
their shoes.
doc. The documentation window.
Buddy, come here.
The signature help window border. So we're gonna want those too, to be honest. So let's just drop those in for now, because I know I'm gonna want to highlight those. I don't understand.
Go ahead, Edward. It's okay.
Ghostline, CMP source, kind, blink, CMP label description, CMP label descripted, scroll bar, menu border. This should be the color, right? Like, this should be what the doc background is. Unless I'm not understanding how this is working.
Winnie, don't eat it.
So I'm just gonna yoink these. This is gonna be blink, signature help, and this will be blink, CMP
No.
Signature. Dude, I need to figure out what to do with this ghost text. Ghost text is very confusing. Alright, so we got those. Dude, why can't I not get that background? Is it like a wind blend option? That might be a window blend thing.
Get it.
Link.
Here, bring it back over here. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, don't eat the cardboard though. Don't. I said don't eat the cardboard. Stop eating it. Hey. Don't eat it. You're so crazy. I'm gonna go this way. Hey.
Note that the gutter will be disabled when border is none.
She is eating cardboard.
I don't know what to tell you. She's a
Hey.
rabid animal.
Oh, it's so okay.
So, border. So, like, if we do, let's just do a test here. If we do none, right, I suspect that when we reload, right, like, we should see, like, when I reload, we're going to lose this outline border, but this should get pushed to the outside.
Good job, Winnie.
So we come back in, we say vim, table, LSP's loading. Here we go. Yeah, that does that. So that is the thing.
Describe the world.
Now we've got the gutter. Min width, max width, border padded, wind bled, wind highlight.
I'm gonna take these out because I don't want you to chew these.
Is there a way to... Here, you know what? We're going to ask...
Your shoes, Win. No, I'm sorry. Okay.
Back in here, Vim. Alright.
Hey, actually take care of these two. Alright, I'm sorry, I'm gonna ruin your fun. I don't want you eating cardboard.
So I'm going to grab that, and we're going to go grab this, and we're going to copy this, and we're going to see if there is a way to update this that ChatGPT can figure out. ChatGPT is actually pretty good at, is it possible to set the gutter highlight background / foreground for float windows in NeoVim when border is rounded. In the attached screenshot, 1 second, chat. Close my door. In the attached screenshot, you can see the gutter is a lighter color than the float, than the main background, whatever. All right, let's see if this thing can figure it out. Because like down here, this is, it's the same settings. So like why does it look right here? Oh, it's because it's the same back color as the come on, LSP. Okay, that still doesn't work. It's totally not.
Functions describe the world.
What's up?
Hey, I'm gonna dry my hair and then go to the grocery store.
Okay.
What do you want for dinner?
Doesn't matter. Sandwich. I thought we were doing sandwiches.
I mean, we can. I didn't know if you wanted to do like chicken or something tonight.
You can do that. Chicken, veggies, I'll grill it.
Okay, what veggies? What veggies? Brussels sprouts?
No, I don't want Brussels sprouts.
Asparagus?
No. Let's do broccoli, onions, garlic, zucchini, or broccoli.
Mushrooms?
I don't really want
And
mushrooms.
I don't really want zucchini.
And let's do broccoli and onion.
Okay.
Yeah, will you close my door on the way out and take Winnie with you?
Winnie.
Or leave her in here and give her a puppy? But she'll probably want to come out, so really you should take her out. Because she's just going to end up barking and... Could you actually close the door though, because it's cold in here and I have the space heater running?
I like the space heater.
Okay, well close the door, you're letting the cold air in.
Come on, Winnie. We're not wanted here. Come on, honey.
Ethan asked if you like gin.
Depends.
She squinted and said depends.
I don't drink a lot.
Wait, where are you going? You didn't finish what you were doing? Oh, I thought you were taking her with you.
I tried and then she said no thanks.
Alright.
She has a new one coming today.
Cool.
Okay. Alright, come on, Betsy.
Then dot C. Okay, so that still doesn't change anything. This drives me crazy, chat. relative, minimal. Rounded. When width. I don't think I'm going to figure this out. All right, whatever. I can live with it. We're engaged. Hi, Bad Cop. I think you should. I think you should buy dmmallroy.gay. I think that would be a great purchase. All right, I'm not gonna, that's not gonna end up working for me. So we're just gonna do that and do the same thing here. And then we are going to fuck with the ghost text, I think. Well, here it seems okay. That was aggressive. So I think I should be able to jump through this snippet by changing this to like foobar, right? And then nice. Nice. All right. I'm going to make a snippet. So the snippets work now. My snippets weren't working before. I don't know why type hinting doesn't work. I don't know how, I'm going to be honest, crowd. I don't know how to set up type hinting in Lua, and I just haven't spent the time to do it. But if someone wants to open up a PR against my nvim config and add type hinting, I would gladly take that. I'll buy you a coffee. All right, so let's see here. Ghost text. Display a preview of the selected item on the current line. Show the ghost text with no item. Yep, show with menu. That might be okay. Let's go look at the recipes. We copied that already. So in my old config, I was manually adding, I accidentally deleted that screenshot from earlier. I'm going to right quit out just to do this. And we're going to say update blink. And we'll do a git push. And I'm going to go grab an old commit. And that's so funny. We're going to go back to here quick. Git check out this. And we're going to end up in this state. And I just want to see... let's see your color. We're gonna have to go to lazy because lazy's gonna have to install new stuff again. Vim. Yeah. So over here I had it before. I don't understand how I did that. Maybe I'll open up an issue and ask. But that's okay. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this again. And we're going to yoink that. And this time we're not going to delete it. So I'm going to go here. And we're going to go down to... Oh, these would be good to have too. We should yoink this. In fact, we should yoink down to here. And then we're going to git checkout main. And then we're going to be back in. And this is going to be in blank. And let's just throw that stuff up here. And we need the docs on how to shows the icon, shows the kind of the item as text. Yeah, okay. This is the setting we want right here. So right now we're working on adding, I want to add this and I want to add the source that it came from. So we're going to come in here and kind icon, columns, depletion menu, draw columns. So this will be columns, and this is going to equal a table where we say label, label description. I don't know. It's, in fact, I should just copy this, right? That's what they say to do. Let's see how that looks. The hell? Get me out of visual mode. There we go. Now we should see, hopefully, something a little bit closer. Yeah, we're getting there. So we say we're getting the label description, and that has a gap. Kind icon, kind. We need to format the kind, right? So we're gonna have to like probably write a function here. So what is this saying? If path I don't know what that path thing is. Shows the source name. All right, we want source name at the very right. So let's come over here, and this is going to get a kind on kind. I think we just throw that in there, and this will be source name. That should work, hopefully. Actually, we'll reset that in a second. So let's go ahead and do that, and back into it. Oh, we broke something. All right. Oh, we're missing a bracket somewhere. Yeah, right there. I don't know why this isn't formatting to another line. It's kind of really annoying. There we go. All right, let's see if that works. I'm assuming it will, right? Yeah, there we go. Now it's got the source. And we want to add a gap here. Gap equals 1. Add that. And I don't think that'll happen here. Oh, that did add. I don't understand what things... Oh, no, it didn't. I hate that I have to quit and reopen over and over again. I guess it's better than before. I guess a couple weeks ago, I would have had to like rebuild my entire Nix configuration to get things to work. There we go. Now we have a little bit of a change. I kind of think that's pretty damn close to what we had before. If we look here, and the reason that, watch this. That looks identical, right? That's looking pretty close, minus the brackets. I wonder if I can go ahead and do, I can do this, chat. React to video. Oh boy. Let me catch up on chat here. Noted, do you have a video you want me to watch? Or is it the video that Kraut sent me? Oh. All right, let me bookmark that video, Kraut. 2 hours. I'll put it on and listen to it in the background. Let me add it to a note so I don't lose the link. Bro, I hardly have enough time to do streaming this week because I'm still not done my slides for the conference on Friday. There's a good chance if I get stressed tonight about my slides and don't get as far as I want, maybe I'll just do my slides on stream tomorrow. I can do that. Well, maybe we'll work on my my conference talk the rest of the week. Hi, did you see Doom in TypeScript types? I did. I actually saw Doom in TypeScript types back in October or November. I work with the person who made it. Dimitri is amazing. And chat, Dimitri runs SquiggleConf, which is a developer tooling conference that started last year, and I'm helping run it this year. It will be in September. We have people from the TypeScript team, from the ES Build team, the V team, the TurboPack team, like all the dev tooling teams are there. So like if you're interested in hearing conference talks around dev tooling, whether it's Rust, Go, TypeScript, yeah, go to SquiggleConf and get some tickets. It's gonna be really good. Oh, it's not the actual website. Where's our website? Did I have a typo? Yeah, SquiggleConf's in Boston. Dude, come on, DuckDuckGo. Just go to... So what's funny is the squiggle in SquiggleConf is actually the red line, like that you would see right there. It's supposed to be like the squiggle from your LSP because it's like a dev tool conf. I don't even know our own website. Jesus. Google is going to be it. Sometimes DuckDuckGo pisses me off. Right there it is. We want to go to 2025. Here we go. Oh, cool. We have some of our speakers already announced. So TJ will be speaking. I don't know if this was public yet. TJ will be speaking. Anthony Fu, Jake Belly, Shelly Vore. We've got a really good, it's going to be really good. It's going to be very high quality. I'm so excited for it. Like, it's in this giant theater. And it's just such a, like the foundation. It's like the whole premise of the conference is getting these teams together who normally don't have don't interact, and like getting cross-pollination of ideas across ecosystems and tooling teams. I saw this the other week with just now getting in more into coding. I've been trying to find places where I can connect with others. Well, welcome, Justice. You're right at home. All right, so we are getting pretty close here. I want to get Copilot in this morning before work. Let's see if I can quickly get source name. See if this works the same way. And we'll come in here and we'll grab text is going to be a function that takes a context, and it's going to return, so our context.text return context.text. I'm gonna guess it's like this. Hopefully. I bet we get an error as soon as we open. Oh! Back to here. Let the LSP load up. We'll figure out if we just got that right. Wrecked. Attempt to concatenate an empty field. Okay, that's okay. What is on the context object? I'm sure that's in the help docs, right? That has to be. Text equals function index. I don't know what's on this thing. Context.kind. I wonder if it's just context.sourceName. Oop. All right, yeah, we got it. All right, the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the background. I realized that my doc backgrounds, the reason why we weren't seeing it before is because it was the actual just like base background instead of this like mantle color. So the last thing I want to do is, don't know how you got here.
Functions describe
Colors,
the world.
and we'll be done. This will be base, same with you. And then that should cover our work on this. Oh, not quite. We still I wanna change the ordering. Yeah, that's right. But we can get rid of this part. The last thing we need to do is I wanna limit the number of suggestions. So if we look, yeah, all right, there's one other highlight group. This thing right here, I wanna change that. So let's go ahead and look at a search help here. Blank highlight groups. Is it appearance? Yeah, here we go. Blank doc separator. It's all right, there's that one. And now I want to go up here and we want to look at basically the order. Signature snippets, sources, reference. What do we think that's under? Completion. I don't think that's it. Oh dang, this has got a lot of... How did I get to snacks? I don't want to be in snacks. Snacks just hijacked that. I'm working on right now just updating some NeoVim config that I've been putting off for a while. Specifically, I've replaced endmcmp with Blink. So that's giving me like this menu right here. That's what we just integrated. But now I want to, let's see if they have, did I post the squiggle? Yeah, I did. Cool. Can you say this word? Schnorkel. I don't know how to say the O with the 2 dots above it. Schnorkel. Yeah, I see the pin. I saw it when I went to ask. Where is this? I want to do appearance, not appearance, sources. There's definitely a way to yeah, we'll want to get this Copilot one here in a little bit. I saw the documentation for this. Select nth item from list. Deprioritize specific LSP. Disable. Basically, the thing I'm trying to do right now, chat, is if you were, I want to set, or if you look at my old config for, you can see for my old complete, like I had the order, like this group index and the max item count. That's what I'm looking for right now. So let's see max items. Here we go. Sources providers. Maximum menu item. Okay, so let's say we come in here, key map, completion, sources, default, and then there should be a providers option in here. Providers. I wonder if there is a I wonder if these merge deeply. All right, that's okay though. So we can come in here and it's going to be LSP equals this. My auto closing isn't working, which is kind of annoying. So I'll have to fix that. Schnorkel means squiggle in German, so have fun at SchnorkelConf. I will have much fun at SchnorkelConf. I am not using a tiling window manager. Well, kind of I am. I'm using just Raycast for window management. So we want max items. We don't give a max item count to LSP. We do want to give it a score offset. I don't know. Let's just make this 5. Do we think that's probably right? Boost completion item score frequency. Oh, it tries to be smart, and that's a typo. Frequency and proximity. I don't think proximity, I don't think I want that. I use Nick's Darwin right now, but I'm probably migrating off it when I get free time. Probably sometime in... I'll probably honestly do it at React Miami. There's like a handful of things that I just don't have the time to do. And this was one of them, but I finally have been... Score offset doesn't really to this score. Okay. Yeah, so we'll say, how many sources do we have right now? We have 4 sources. So we'll give this the highest one. And then we want, what do I want next? LSP path. What do we have before? 1, buffer is 2, path is 3, snippets. I don't really care about the other ones. I do know I want my LSP to be first, though. That is important to me. But the other ones, we can say path. We'll come in here and we'll say max items. Max items is going to be, I don't know, let's say we grab 4. I even have 3 up there. 3, and then we'll do buffer. I actually don't really care about the other ones. All right, dude, buffer is going to be noisy. Buffer is going to equal max items, and we'll just say this is going to be 5. All right, so right now, if we look at this, right, we should see like, I wonder if that automatically updated. Oh, broke something. What do we think we did wrong, chat? We know those were good. The things that we just added. Right. I put this in the wrong spot. Still wrong? So we'll do this, make sure that is what our error is. It is. And then we'll just come back through and add, I do want, see if that's right at least. That's right. Okay. Let's try LSP because that's the one I care the most about right now. Okay, so LSP is not correct. So let's look at the help again. Sources, blink, sources. Yeah, here we go. It's fine. Source providers LSP equals this bracket. Do I have to give it everything if I override? I was using nvim CMP before. All right, what if I just do like this? I really hope that I don't have to copy that entire config, because that would be really annoying. All right, so that worked. What happens if I do score offset here? Oh, it's a typo. Chat, it's a typo. I typoed. Classic. I use conform instead of .ls. Haha, there we go. Nailed it. There we go. That feels like home. Nice. All right. Well, we got that. So the next thing I want to add is probably Copilot's the next most impactful thing I could add. And I think I want to add this guy right here. So let's go. I might even still have Copilot in here. No, I don't. So let's add Copilot. Copilot.lua. And here, yoink you,
paste you. That's not what I do. Do they have lazy? Fine, that's okay. Let's just return. Status failed. Please remove them. You have local changes. Oh, shit. Fine. The hell just happened? Clean that up. Go up here. Right quit out all, Vim back in. There we go. There we go. All right, so we got Copilot. And I want to go look. I never remember the lazy and Vim. We can wait for it to be buffer enter. Dude, come on. There has to be more. Here we go. Do that. And then we'll have in here, we want it to be lazy is true. And what is another one of these? One of these, I know I have lazy plugins in here. Lazy true file type. I just want a buffer enter, buff enter. There we go. Okay, that's all we needed there. Back to the configuration. All right, we are going to want to look at some of this then, because I used to get super annoyed at Copilot. I am going to have to reactivate my Copilot. How do I get to Copilot? Settings. Copilot, sure. You currently have an, all right, great. How do I, was it Copilot auth? All right, so Copilot's there. So what is it? Copilot and then auth. Rip. It's because I have to go to. Okay, that's confusing. Oh, I guess I have to call setup. All right. I guess one of you guys could jack this, huh? Okay, so it looks like that worked. So does that work? Okay, it at least seems like it's working. So the next thing we probably want is, it looked like there was a blink Copilot feature. Yeah, I think I have these open. So there's this one, and there was two of them, right? I'm just gonna close the other one we just had open. This has 65 stars updated 2 weeks ago, 49 stars updated a week ago. How do you choose which to use? So this guy's on both. I don't know what Lazy Extra's Copilot is. Then we're gonna come over here and oh, I see what you're saying down there. I'll add a dependency. I'm gonna have to change these key maps. I already know it's gonna piss me off. I try to watch any more inputs and it confuses the crap out of me. I don't know how you programmers move around so fast without the mouse. It's the Vim movements. If you look up the Primeagen Vim movements on YouTube, Blink CMP Copilot. Isn't that what we were looking at right here? Oh. Does he use this one or this one? Oh, wait, that's what you're saying, I think. This feels a little bit more polished. So I don't think I have to really touch too much default configuration in here, but I will come in here and we'll add we'll go into Blink. And we're going to add this. So it wants to put Copilot first. I do not want Copilot first. I know that for certain. Like, I'm okay with making it like score offset is like this would be 4, this becomes 5. Or where's this? Something like that. This would become 5. Score offset would become 4. I think that's what we'd want. All right, let's see how that works. Should that not install it? Oh, it's because I need the, yeah. All right, let's see what happens here. Why did it push that to the top? That's exactly what I don't want. I don't want Copilot first. All right. That's a little bit better. I'm okay with that. All right. We can, let's actually make another entry here. And we'll do, we'll configure this guy. We'll yoink you. Go ahead and put you up here, put that in there. So that doesn't feel like it's working, the kind icon. So we might be able to, in here. Got what I need. So we'll say else if do we think that actually worked? Part of me feels like that is bullshit. Maybe not. Yeah, we didn't get the Copilot icon. Well, really, that should be like that. Because I changed the name. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it fucking, that's not real. It hallucinated. But we can grab this thing right here, and we can make it that. You've got what I need. Say he's just a friend. Say he's just a friend. All right, that works there. I still don't like that it is getting pushed to the top. Like, that's driving me crazy. I like switching to a split keyboard. The main thing I really like is ortholinear and being able to map layers and having the key thing, but then having my shoulders back too has also been really nice. But I don't even need that. The heck? Why can't I? Here we go. Is there any Copilot stuff in here? There is. Maybe I do want it to be pushed to the top. I just hate the frickin' jank. I don't like that it's like auto-accepting. That's a weird behavior. Do you feel like you type faster? It's for ergonomics. I type about the same. I might be able to type just a little bit faster now that I got used to it, but like not any sort of meaningful difference. Winnie. I might be able to replace Wilder with this eventually. That would be sweet. So the thing I don't like right now is I think if like I tab through this and like if I press Control C, I don't want it to take the option, which is weird behavior. Hide, that's probably not what we want, huh? It's gonna be like blank commands. Whatever, we'll just go here and then commands. cancel. That's what we want. Not hide. That should be cancel. All right, so there was some stuff in here about Copilot. I do want to find that. Hide Copilot suggestions. Oh, that's actually a really useful. That's a really useful. I'm going to add that and potentially we're going to come in here and just comment that for now. All right, that should help get me back to where I was with that. All right. Yeah, there we go. All right, cool. All right, that looks good. The next thing I want to add is some mini stuff. Mini AI is definitely one I want. So let's go in here, and I think I might just do a mini.lua. Return. Something like that. I'll grab that one, and then I know I want, I don't think this should take too much configuration. The other mini one is I want mini surround. Where is it at? Or is it pairs? Might be both of these. Mini operators is one I think I want to. Maybe. Cool, that works for me. Come in here, this will be mini pairs. Then we want surround. This is gonna fuck with me a little bit because I'm getting rid of Tim Pope's plugin for surround. This one right here. Goodbye, Mr. Tim Pope. All right, right quit all. What is taking, Blink takes the longest to load? All right, so we should be able to like add surrounding with that, delete surrounding, surrounding delete, replace surrounding, replace surrounding, find surrounding with highlight. So really, if I'm right here, I should be able to do surround around. Oh. How am I? In visual mode or motion? That didn't work. All right, I don't know the keybinds here. So what you're saying, it's that didn't really work. All right, so we should be able to just come in here and say, come down next line, ops equal that, and then we say mappings. Copilot just got aggressive there. Let's just copy. How do I add leader? Oh, we didn't call setup. Hold on. Hodl chat. All right. I need to fucking fix some of this. I need like the ghost text to be not the same color. I don't know if that works. So I need to give it, right, text objects right around that. Okay, that's not bad. That feels like it's working. I just don't know, my AI adds some stuff. It's like surround bracket. All right, I'll just have to play with that. My blink I bet I have to do config on all these. So I can say view around brackets and just keep going. That's nice. All right, I want to go look at the docs for what else do we have? Do we want this? I use some stuff from Snacks, Ryan. I don't like the UI stuff for the most part that Folk does. The only UI thing I really use from him is the notifier, but I use it for like toggle. I use it for large file or big buffer or whatever it is. Just gonna load. Why does this keep pausing? I might fuck with this later today. I just added a bunch of things and it's gonna throw off my workflow enough as it is. Do I have a meeting right at 10? I do. All right, chat. I gotta wrap up. I got 3 minutes. Let's see if I can fix. I think there's a problem where like I would expect. Okay, that just did there. Never mind. Fix that problem. I just had to enable the plugin. Right. There is a. If I come here and we do config. Is Copilot gonna do anything? Function. What did I do wrong? There we go. Okay, that seems reasonable. I want to go look at how to configure this one now. Is this mini AI, mini operators, mini surround? Let's go up one more. You can simplify mini.envim with the library instead of calling them. Yeah, I know, but I didn't want to bring in everything. I really only just wanted a couple. This guy right here. All right. I think that's a good little refactor of our config today. Add copilot, add mini.mvim, remove vim surround, nvim cmp, Lewis snip. I use lazy.mvim, which is a package manager. Let's see here. Who do we want to raid today? Christoph's going. Prime's going. I'm going to raid Prime. The fuck? Is that going? Are we raiding? I don't know if this is raiding. Here we go. All right, chat. Have a great day. I will be back tomorrow. We will probably work on conference slides this week. So, yeah, we'll be doing effect conference slides for my conf talk on Friday. I will see you tomorrow. Peace. Did it raid?
Functions
I can't even tell if it
describe
raided.
the world.
I don't think it raided, did it? Don't do it again. Okay, maybe not. We're good. We did raid. Great.